Reliability matters the most when choosing an SUV. In this video, we're revealing 6 of the most reliable midsize SUVs of 2026 that are built to last. Number 6. Ford Explorer 2026. Starting price $38,355. The 2026 Ford Explorer is a refined 3-row SUV that delivers family-ready versatility, modern styling, and strong everyday capability. Power comes from a 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing about 300 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive is standard, while all-wheel drive is available depending on the trim. Inside, it features a 13.2-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a panoramic fixed-glass roof available across the lineup. The Explorer seats 6 or 7 passengers with practical cargo space behind the rear seats. Number 5. Hyundai Santa Fe 2026. Starting price $34,200. The 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe remains one of the most versatile midsize SUVs, combining rugged design, family practicality, and modern technology. It continues to focus on comfort and convenience, making it a practical choice for everyday driving and family trips. Power comes from a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing 277 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth performance and strong everyday capability. Inside, it features dual 12.3-inch screens, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual wireless chargers, and multiple USB-C ports with a modern, tech-forward cabin. The Santa Fe seats up to 7 passengers with practical cargo space behind the rear seats. Number 4. Jeep Grand Cherokee 2026. Starting price $36,495. The 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee is a midsize SUV, available in both 2-row and 3-row L versions. It blends everyday comfort with Jeep's rugged off-road capability, while adding updated technology and refined styling. Power comes from the 4xe plug-in hybrid powertrain that combines a turbocharged engine with an electric motor, producing 375 horsepower and paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth and capable performance. Inside, it features a standard 12.3-inch central touchscreen with an optional 10.3-inch passenger display. Higher trims offer premium finishes and upgraded upholstery, while the Quadra-Lift suspension improves ride comfort. The cabin seats up to 5 or 7 passengers, depending on the version. Number 3. Honda Pilot 2026. Starting price $39,900. The 2026 Honda Pilot continues as a family-focused 3-row SUV, known for its roomy cabin, smooth ride, and everyday practicality. While it doesn't receive major updates, it remains one of the most balanced and dependable choices in the midsize SUV segment. Power comes from a 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. All-wheel drive is available, delivering smooth performance and confident capability for daily driving and longer trips. Inside, it features an easy-to-use infotainment touchscreen with a practical dashboard layout and generous storage throughout the cabin. The Pilot seats up to 8 passengers, with useful cargo space behind the rear seats. Number 2. Mazda CX-90 2026. Starting price $37,845. The 2026 Mazda CX-90 elevates the 3-row SUV segment with luxury-grade materials, refined handling, and strong powertrains, offering an upscale experience without premium pricing. Power comes from a 3.3-liter turbocharged inline-6 with mild hybrid assist, producing 280 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque, while Turbo S trims boost output to 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet. All models use an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive for smooth, confident performance. Inside, the CX90 seats up to 8 passengers and features premium leather, a large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and thoughtful storage. Higher trims include a head-up display, 360-degree cameras, and luxury finishes throughout the cabin. Number 1. Toyota 4Runner 2026. Starting price, $40,770. The 2026 Toyota 4Runner continues as a rugged SUV built for off-road adventure and everyday versatility, balancing toughness with practicality for families and explorers alike. Power comes from a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing 278 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive is standard, while 4-wheel drive with a 2-speed transfer case, locking rear differential, and crawl control is available for serious off-road capability. Inside, the 4Runner seats 5 to 7 passengers, depending on configuration, featuring an 8-inch display standard and available 14-inch touchscreen with 12.3-inch digital cluster on higher trims. If reliability is important to you, share this video with someone who's planning to buy an SUV, and subscribe for more trusted car recommendations.